Morning, Raj. Just from our chat the other day. So 58 Nightingale, evaporative cooling, I can see there. Double lock-up garage. Okay, so this is the area that we were speaking about the other day. I have spoken to the tenant already about that. Their water, there's no water that actually gets to the house, but this area does here when they've had large downpours. You can see the area is dead. That does fill up, but it doesn't actually hit the house. Side entrance through there. I'm just going to go through the front. Very nice. So just spin around. Gas wall heater there. Kitchen. Nice kitchen. So it's gas and electric. Really nicely presented property. Lovely. Bedroom. We've got built-ins. So all the bedrooms are got ducted cooling. You've got your laundry, external access, another bedroom. There's cooling as well. Toilet, family bathroom, main bedroom, and okay, wandering back down. Just going to come out side through the thing. So we've got nice good yard. Rear access from the garage, which is always handy. Hello, puppy dog. And through garden shed, cement slab. These tenants are really nice, and the house is presented extremely well. And you've got a side area as well. I did notice up on the side, gas, hot water. I did notice here that there's a little alcove area as well, and that is double door watering system. House looks great. Thank you for having it looking so nice.
No, that's alright, all good.
Mate, it was awesome.